day, followers and fans. In this video, I would like to show you how to use Geogebra to measure angles, especially using the concept of transversal to teach corresponding, parallel, alternate angles and other related angles that are formed when there is a transversal. Okay, so as seen, we have two parallel lines with a transversal line that cut across the two parallel lines. So how then do we measure the various angles that are formed by the transversal lines and that of the parallel lines? So it means that the concept of corresponding interior angle, alternate angles can be taught using Geogebra. How then do we measure angles in Geogebra? So basically, angles are formed when two lines meet. So, for example, if I want to measure the angle formed by the line segment G, D, and that of DO, the angle formed at D can be measured. How then do Geogebra helps you to measure? So to measure any angle, on the construction icons, or the construction tools icon, you click on the angle. Because I want to measure angles, I'll select angle. Now, to measure angles using Geogebra, we click on the points that form the angle in a clockwise direction. So, for example, I want to measure angle D. I want to measure angle GDO. That's the angle at D. I have to click D, O. So once I click on it, Geogebra automatically measures the angle at D. That's angle GDO. So let's try to check the angle here. So the angle DGO is 79.88 degrees. Okay. What if I want to measure angle A, angle E, AF? So meaning that I'll still have to position the cursor on the angle button or the icon, click on angle, then I'm going to select the 3 points. That's point E, A, F in a clockwise direction. So I'm clicking the point E. So I have to I'll first select the angle icon first. Then click the points E, A, F. So once that is done, it measures the angle for me. So the angle measured is also 79.88, which shows that the angles are corresponding. So meaning that the concept of corresponding angles are demonstrated using the Geogebra software. I can move on to measure another angle to demonstrate the angle alternate. Good. So let's try to, I want to measure angle at D here, that's angle CDF. So meaning that I'm going to click on the angle, measure angle icon. Then these are the points C, D, F. That forms the angle here. But I must click the points that form the angle in a clockwise direction. So I'll start from here, C, D, F. So C, D, F. Okay. Now Geogebra automatically measures it for me, and that is what? 79.88 degrees. It means that angle beta is alternate to angle gamma, and in other way it also explains the vertically opposite angle. We said that vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle alpha is vertically opposite to angle gamma, and for that matter they are equal. Let's try to again measure angle EFD. Okay, so in this case, click on the measure angle icon. I'm going to measure the angle. I'm going to click the points E, F, D in a clockwise direction in order to measure the internal angle that forms. Okay, so E, F, D, like this. So this is my D. It gives me the angle measure of 158.53 degrees. In the same way, if I would like to measure angle HEF, so H, I'm going to click it in a clockwise direction, so EF. So it gives me the angle measure of 101.35 degrees. So in summary, to measure angles in Geogebra, especially internal angles, we must go in a clockwise direction. If you like to measure the exterior angle, meaning that you go the anti-clockwise direction. Thank you. Bye-bye.